Our liver is one of the main organs of our body since it eliminates the toxins that we ingest through food, alcohol, medicines, and products that we use every day. So it's very important to detoxify your liver, especially if you suffer from obesity. To ensure that your liver remains healthy, it's important that you consume foods that will help in the detoxification process, as well as avoid alcoholic beverages, fried foods, foods with a high fat content, and processed foods, since they are rich in additives and preservatives, which will overwhelm your liver. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to 4 drinks that can help cleanse your liver and improve your quality of life by helping you lose weight. But you must be wondering why we drink these specific detox drinks at night. Most detox juices are supposed to be taken right when you wake up, on an empty stomach. However, traditional Chinese medicine recommends drinking them at night, since our liver works best between 1 and 3 o'clock in the morning. This way, the nutrients in the drinks will provide the liver with the nutrients it needs for a deep detox. In this way, our metabolism is also affected, since it reduces the amount of toxins in our body and increases how much fat we burn. Try one of the following. Lukewarm water. Lemon has diuretic and cleansing properties, which both help improve our liver health. For this, you'll need 1 lemon and 200 milliliters of water. Heat the water, do not boil it, and then add the lemon juice. Drink it every night, half an hour before going to bed, for 3 weeks in a row. Chamomile tea. Recently, we analyzed the benefits of chamomile tea here on the channel, so we already know that its antioxidant properties can help cleanse our liver. Here's what you do. Boil 250 milliliters of water, turn off the heat, and add a spoonful of chamomile flowers. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes, then strain and drink it. Repeat this process every night for 2 weeks. Mint tea. Mint tea is one of my favorite teas, and it's great for our digestion. If you also like mint, then do the following. Boil 250 milliliters of water and add 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. Let it sit for 10 minutes, strain, and drink it a half an hour before going to sleep. Do this every night for 3 weeks. Ginger and lemon tea. These 2 ingredients, when combined, are amazing at eliminating fat and improving our overall health. Ginger and lemon are both rich in vitamin C and have antioxidant properties, which prevent diseases and optimize our metabolism. Here's what you'll need. 1 5-centimeter long piece of ginger, 1 lemon, 250 milliliters of water. Boil the water and add the ginger and lemon juice. Let it steep for 10 minutes before drinking. Drink this mixture at least 3 times a week for 30 days. Ginger should be avoided by people who suffer from hypertension. When in doubt, always consult your doctor. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.